What is a shock absorber? A shock absorber is a device that provides controlled, predictable deceleration to high-speed automated machines through converting kinetic energy to thermal energy. The main purpose of a shock absorber is to stop a moving load with minimum load rebound, minimum shock to the load, and minimum shock to surrounding equipment. They provide a safe and fast way to dampen any type of motion, including rolling, rotary, sliding, and straight-line motion. The working principle of all shock absorbers is achieved through the use of hydraulic fluids. It begins with the coupled springs. Providing instant relief, the springs will convert sudden shock waves into repetitive motion. The hydraulic fluid is then used to damp the oscillations made by the springs. A piston pushes down on the fluid, forcing it to pass through small orifices. This in turn causes the fluid to heat rapidly, transferring thermal energy to the cylinder body and harmlessly releasing it to the atmosphere. The main advantage shock absorbers provide is reducing shock and vibrations from the machine. This advantage provides multiple benefits, including elimination of machine damage, longer machine life, higher operating speeds, improved production quality, safer machine operation, and less equipment downtime. Shock absorbers are a key component to multiple types of machines for the purpose of absorbing shocks and dampening them as soon as possible. If you like this information on shock absorbers, please like this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more information on industrial products and processes. For information about Radwell, visit us on the web at radwell.com or connect with us on social media. Thanks for watching.